Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a simple to-do list using Google Sheets mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Sheets application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up the sheets I have just created, this one. And you need to prepare your to-do list like this guys. Here I have prepared my list. Wait, I'm going to view it in light theme. Okay, you need to prepare this kind of table on your Google Sheets, and then we're going to add checkbox to this checklist column. We can select the column like this, and then we're going to click on the three dots on the top right and go to the data validation, and on the criteria we can choose checkbox since we want to add checkbox to our column, and then don't forget to click on save. Alright, and now the check boxes have been added to this column, and then I'm going to add conditional formatting to this list. So anytime I click on the checkbox, the straight through effect will apply to this list. Okay, I'm going to select the list like this, and we're going to go to the conditional formatting. Click on this formatting menu, and then you're going to scroll down until you find conditional formatting, and then I'm going to click the criteria. We can choose custom formula. Okay, and here you just need to follow the formula I want to add to this conditional formatting. We can use a function if, and then select the range B3 cell to B7 cell, and then true. I choose B3 to B7 cell because the checkbox is in this range. Okay, and I'm going to click on custom for the formatting style. Okay, we can choose straight through, and for the color I'm just going to choose plain and click on done. Alright, and now the conditional formatting has been added, and then I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to try to click on the checkbox. As you can see, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create simple to-do list in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.